Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Citroen remote key fob. What we need to do first is remove this screw here and then split the two halves of the case to access the key fob battery. So we get our Phillips screwdriver and we just simply remove the screw at the top of the fob. Now once we've done that, we get our flat-headed screwdriver and then there is a small indentation at the bottom of the fob where we can pop it in and we can give it a twist which cracks the two halves of the case. Okay, now we just very gently ease out the microchip board. It just gives us better access to the battery when removing it. Now we just ease out the battery from its housing, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of Xara 2016, like this one. We got our new key fob battery and we simply just pop it back into the housing. We're making sure that the writing is facing upwards so we know it's in its correct location. And we just pop the board back in. There is a couple of locating pins just here and here that we need to line up on the board to make sure it's located central. And then we just pop the case back together. Make sure it clicks in place. And now it's just time to tighten up the screw to make sure it's completely secure. And there you go. It's all done.